Hello, I will discuss about system. So what is a system? System is defined as physical device that generates a response or an output signal for a given input signal. So you will get some output for a given input if you apply the input into a system. So we can say YT, that means output is operation on input, that is YT is operation on XT. Mathematically we can write YT equal to T of XT. You can say that output is transformation of the input. So XT is transformed to YT here. So system, there are some example. Yt equal to 2xt, that means input amplitude is multiplied with 2, that means amplitude is increasing with 2 times. And if you give an example that yt equal to xt by 2, that will attenuate your input, it will, the amplitude will decrease with time. And here is another example, yt equal to half of xt minus 2, that means input is delayed with 2 steps plus x squared t, that means amplitude of xt is squared. So system may be two types, it may be continuous time system or discrete time system. In continuous time system, both input and output are continuous with time. That means it is a continuous time system because yt is continuous and xt is continuous. So if both input and output are continuous signal, then we can say the system is continuous time system. And for discrete time system, both input and output are discrete with time. Here xn is discrete and yn is discrete, so you can write yn equal to t of xn. And the example of discrete time system, yn equal to 3 of xn and yn equal to x square n x of n minus 1, or you can give any example of a discrete time system. Thank you.